If you want to live a true life of fulfillment, prosperity, riches, everything that everyone wants in life, you have to go through rock bottom lows and mountaintop highs. There's no way to achieve it through living a constant life. Even the multi-millionaire, who's been like that since the day he was born, from his parents' wealth, if he hasn't either went for a lot more or completely fell to the bottom, he's just been in a constant and nothing's changed, and he's been living the same life his entire life, and there's nothing exciting about that. As humans, we need to be on emotional roller coasters to truly enjoy life. We're emotional people. We're emotional beings. We need that. Consistency shouldn't exist in the day of a life of anyone, even you. Now, part of the reason I'm actually making this video is for myself, because in a few days, I'm either going to hit a mountaintop high, or I'm going to hit a rock bottom low. If my company doesn't merge with another company, or if I don't get new hires, I'm done for, almost. I'm done for, almost. But even though I've acknowledged both the outcomes, at the end of it, you got to realize, though, that you can only do one thing when a rock bottom does come. You have to climb your way out of it. You have to make something out of it. And emotions like those are what keep me going all the time. They're what keep life interesting. If I knew that my company was always just going to be at a constant no matter what I did or what anyone did, it just wouldn't be exciting. It wouldn't be worth owning or running. And it's also about the moment that you're in right now. Now, I know guaranteed 1 year down the line, whether I merge the company or I don't, or I get hires or I don't, I'm going to be in a better position than regardless of if I did either 1 year from now. I know it's going to happen. Now, although nothing in life is guaranteed, that's something that I'm guaranteeing for myself. You have to guarantee your goals for yourself, or else you're never going to hit them. And at the end of the day, we only have the moment to experience. And even a year down the line, when I am in the better position, financially, like everything, I'm just going to have that moment to go on. There's not going to be a past. Of course, there's going to be a future, but what you can only work on right now is the present. Now, right now, are you at a rock bottom and you're going to a mountaintop high, or are you at a mountaintop high and are you going to hit a rock bottom low, or is there a higher peak of the mountain? Now, at the end of the day, you decide what you chase and what you go after and what you bring to yourself. And with all that being said, go reach your mountaintop high.